How to get a guarantor, your guide to securing your rental or loan. Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we're tackling a common challenge, finding a guarantor for your rental agreement or loan application. Don't worry, you're not alone. This video will equip you with a step-by-step process to secure a guarantor with confidence. Who is a guarantor? Simply put, a guarantor is someone who agrees to step in and cover your payments if you fall behind on your rent or loan. They act as a form of security for the landlord or lender. Step 1. Identify potential guarantors. First, consider who could be a good guarantor. Ideally, it should be someone with a strong credit score and stable income, such as a parent or family member, close friend, cosigner, for loans only. Step 2. Understand the risks. Be upfront and transparent. Explain the responsibilities of being a guarantor and the potential financial risks involved. Step 3. Make your case. Prepare a clear and concise proposal. Explain your financial situation and reasons for needing a guarantor. Highlight your reliability and commitment to upholding your payments. Step 4. Review the agreement carefully. Once you find a guarantor, ensure both of you thoroughly review and understand the guarantor agreement. Ask questions and seek clarification if needed. Bonus tips: finding a guarantor requires clear communication and responsible planning. By following these steps and presenting yourself professionally, you can increase your chances of securing one and achieving your rental or loan goals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. And remember, with the right approach, securing a guarantor can be a smooth and positive experience.